Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 Eclipse Attitude 28 IBG. Nice full front cap. Large propane bottles behind the propane cover. There are two 7-gallon propane tanks with the power tongue jack. Lithium battery, 100 amp lithium battery. 3/4 pass-through storage. With access up underneath the bed as well. On the outside storage with the magnetic lock. This is going to have the full patio power awning. This 28 IBG is going to have a dry weight of 9240 as it is equipped. 235/80 R16 Gladiator heavy rated tires. Metal fender wells. Zerk fittings on the shackles underneath to allow you to be able to do your own grease work and grease them, once or twice a year to keep the maintenance up on it. Nice big patio deck out the back end. It conforms into a ramp as well, with the built-in locks on the handles. And this one has the spotlights out the back end on the upper above cowling, with the foldable ladder out the side so you can access the roof for maintenance. Complete fuel station with pump and dispenser and fuel tank. This one's going to have the living room slide out along with the bedroom slide out, 10-gallon water heater, exterior shower. This one's going to have the 5500 own-end generator. So dual roof air conditionings as well. Friction hinge door as we walk in the doorway. This is going to have the nice Attitude rocker swivel captain's chairs. They're very, very comfortable with the frost pine wood interior. Big bay windows with the big flat screen TV in the living room. Convertible dinette in the back end with the above bunk bed. One-piece pull-down screen wall. And the slide-out couch with the big 2-door refrigerator freezer. Very, very beautiful looking woodwork with the white backlit countertops. Stainless steel package on the appliances. Large full-size microwave. 210 solar with a lithium battery, standard on this model. Porcelain toilet, nice glass shower corner enclosure with the fantastic fan in the bathroom with plenty of storage throughout. Big queen size bed in the bedroom with outlets on both sides of the bed. And this is going to have the new front end next to the bed, so it's got the overhead cabinetry. The side wardrobe slide out, storage underneath the bed, and end tables on both sides of the bed with drawers, and plug-ins on both sides of the bed with USB and 110 cigarette lighter type 12-volt plug-in at the head of the bed as well. Very, very nice layout with the particular interior that this one has. We have a lot of inventory in the Eclipse product, and if you have any questions in regards to any of our Eclipse Attitude products that we have in stock, feel free to contact me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.